Someone stole your video? Don't worry. Today I'll show you exactly how to give a copyright strike on YouTube the right way, step by step. Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shehab, and today I'll explain how you can report and remove a stolen video from YouTube using a proper copyright strike process, safely, legally, and effectively. A copyright strike happens when you officially report someone for using your original content, like your video, thumbnail, or audio, without your permission. But remember, this is not for dislikes, hate comments, or reaction videos. Only for copyrighted material you own. You should give a copyright strike when someone uploads your video exactly, uses your music or footage without credit, or pretends your content is theirs. Before you report, always make sure it's your original creation.
Now let's see how to give a copyright strike on YouTube.
First, open your YouTube Studio. Go to your channel dashboard and click on the Content Detection or Copyright tab. There you'll find a list of all videos where someone has reused or copied your content.
Now, select the video you want to report and click on Request Video Removal. A form will appear on your screen. It'll show your original video along with the one that copied it. In Section 2, you'll need to fill out your information and submit the copyright details carefully.
Now, I'm filling in the form with my real legal information. Make sure you don't use any fake details that can seriously harm your channel or even get it penalized. Now, choose the 7-day schedule if you want to give the other creator a short warning before the strike. If they remove the copied video within that time, their channel stays safe. But if you want to strike instantly, go with the standard option. Also, tick Prevent future copies of this content from appearing on YouTube. That way, YouTube will automatically block re-uploads of your content. Finally, under Section 4, Legal Agreements, select all checkboxes and type your full legal name in the signature box to confirm your request.
Once you've filled everything out, click Submit. Then, under the Removal Request section, you'll see your request listed as Processing. Usually within a few minutes, YouTube will send you an email confirming that the copied video has been taken down and a copyright strike has been applied to that channel.
Remember, don't misuse copyright strikes. If you send a false claim, your channel can face serious penalties, even suspension. So always make sure you're reporting real theft, not fair use or reaction content. So that's how you can easily give a copyright strike and protect your content. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with every YouTuber who needs to know this.